Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can monetize your Facebook account. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to head over and open your Facebook account and then click on your profile here at the bottom right. After that, you'll be redirected to your profile. Next, what you're going to do is head over, click on the three dots at the top right over here, and then you'll be redirected to profile settings. Here, you're going to scroll down and click on turn on professional mode. You cannot turn on monetization if you have not enabled it. Once you're redirected to professional mode, you're going to click on turn on, and then you'll be redirected to another interface that will welcome you. Click on next, select your audience, click on next, and you can select between public, friends, or any custom audience. Just choose whatever is convenient. Click on next. After that, you can review your selection, click on confirm. And after that, click on next once again, click on next again, and you'll be redirected to profile frame. You can select what frame you want, or you can skip it for later. After that, you're going to click on go to professional dashboard. If you're not redirected to this interface, you can simply, close Facebook, turn on Facebook again, and then click on profile here once again. And here you'll be able to see a professional dashboard option. So you can simply click on the three horizontal lines at the top left and you'll be able to see professional dashboard right over here. So now in my case, it says that my profile is currently restricted as a safety measure. That's because I just switched my account professional mode and started setting up monetization. So usually Facebook places a temporary restriction while it reviews your account. So this is normal and it may take a little bit of time before the restriction is removed and everything becomes fully active. So once it is activated, you gotta click on monetize right here, and this is where you'll see all the programs that allow you to make money from your Facebook account. You'll be able to see stars, subscriptions, content monetization, storefront, and other monetization programs. If your account is active and eligible, you'll be able to set these up directly from this page. Some programs may say ready to set up, and for those you can simply tap setup and follow the steps Facebook provides. If there are monetization options that you're not eligible for yet, they will show not yet available. So you can simply tap on those options and join the waitlist or enable notifications. So Facebook will alert you once your account meets the requirement. And well, that's it. That is how you can monetize your Facebook account. And if you found this guide helpful, consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.